Alright guys, today we are going to be doing a carburetor and fuel lines on Echo srm-2400 trimmer. I'll put all the parts in the description. It comes in a whole kit. Fuel lines, spark plug. These are actually little one-way duckbill valves. Like if you ever change your primer ball, you can change that too. Air filter, other grommet, because there's two different styles of grommets. This one would be the little one, so we'll be swapping the fuel lines out to that one. Gaskets, extra primer balls, extra filters. There's all kinds of stuff in that kit. They work great actually. The original carburetor has no carburetor adjustment. The aftermarket ones have a carburetor adjustment. And a lot of times, like, I could just do the lines on these and adjust the carburetor, it would work, but since there's no adjustment, it don't. So these are actually better than the originals. All right guys, first thing we're going to do, air filter, remove it. This air filter is actually good. You can rinse it out with carb cleaner and blow it out with air and it'll be like new again. Phillips or a flathead screwdriver, we're going to go ahead and remove those two. Went ahead and pulled it right off. The gasket fell out the back. It goes between the carb and the engine. We're going to remove the fuel lines. Just cut them off because, you know, we're just replacing it all anyways. Turn the throttle like this. See how the cable pops out? Oh, I need two hands. Oh, look it. There we go. Pop the cable right on out. Pull it out of there. Boom, done. We're going to need this. On that maybe? Oh no, we're not. That's gonna work fine, isn't it? Yeah, that's gonna work fine. So we're gonna go ahead, turn this barrel. So there's a big side and a little side. We want the big side towards that barrel. So we're gonna turn it at that angle right there. And we're gonna throttle it up, line the cable up, and throttle it down. You saw how I was doing it. Throttle it down. Oh, it popped out again. Freaking thing. There you go. When you get it down, you can actually hold that down and then squeeze the trigger and it'll pop it right in. No big deal. Alright, getting the grommet out isn't a big deal either. First, let's go ahead and drain the gas. We'll get all the gas out of there. We want to start with fresh, brand new gas in this. Alright, and then we're going to go ahead and just pop the grommet out. I need to use two hands of that because the leaf blower is just going to... Here we go. Pop the grommet out. This one's all screwed. It's swelled and it's bad. Look at that filter. It's all hard and rotten. Alright. So now we're going to go ahead and swap these three lines over to this grommet. This is a small grommet that goes in this. So swap them all over. Like that. Stick the filter into the gas tank. You're going to push the grommet all the way in. You're going to pinch it to the back, and then you can work your way from this side to this side to this side with a flathead screwdriver while holding it down. Oh, sorry. While holding it down, you can work one side to the other with the flathead screwdriver, just shoving it in. Go, get your hand out of the way. I already got it recorded.
Yeah.
Don't get too close. I can't fucking work with you in the way.
Oh, okay. I'm just trying to keep a view.
All right, and then you put the vent up in there. This is return line. This is the line with the fuel filter. The black one's got the fuel filter. There's two nipples on here. The big one right here goes to the black line with the fuel filter. This goes to the yellow one. That's the return line. Just like that. Then we're going to go ahead and shove this air filter assembly through. Once you get that, we're going to put this on. These little holes have to line up with that little hole. That's your That's your vacuum line for your fuel pump that's built into the carburetor. Goes down, see how it lines up there. And then line it up to the intake manifold, and we're going to go ahead and screw that down. We're going to go and inspect the lines, make sure there's no kinks. See, there's a kink right there. That's too short or too long. So what we got to do is reach into the tank and pull it through. Boom, just like that. No more kinks. You can do it with this yellow one too. Just push it in a little bit more. Where we can grab it, and then we'll grab it and pull it. Now there's no kinks on anything, and it all looks good. Alright, now we're going to add a little gas to it. Now we're going to go ahead and prime. I wish this thing would sit steady. There we go. Now we're going to go ahead and prime it. Perfect, it primed right up. We're going to test it real quick. So the idle is a little bit low on this. So we're going to turn the idle screw clockwise, just like maybe one turn. And we'll try it again. A little bit more. Well, we can go a little bit more. And one more turn. Basically, want it slow enough where if the head's not spinning. About high enough that it doesn't shut off. Alright. Now we can put the new air filter in there, but just so you can see, you can rinse this out with carb cleaner. And then blow it out with air. See how much cleaner it gets. And if you don't have air, you just blow it out with carb cleaner and then set it in the sun and let it sit there for a while. But we'll put the new one on there. Like that. And then put this air filter cover on. You're ready to go. Alright guys, this helped you out in any way, shape, or form. Give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. I'll put all the parts in the description below. Just click the link, it'll take you there. If you want to do any advertising on my channel, message me. More than happy to have you. Peace.